Muslims worldwide enthusiastically observe Ramadan celebrations. More than an auspicious period, it's a time for self-improvement and spiritual development. However, maintaining a productive daily morning routine for Ramadan can be hard today. Most of our time is spent on necessary personal or professional chores. Employees often work over 40 hours a week, and on average, students typically spend around 30-35 hours per week in school, with little time for self-care. While this is a challenge, Ramadan fasting makes things even more difficult. In this video, we will discuss a productive morning routine and a day-long itinerary for Ramadan to help you have a healthy lifestyle. It is important to plan each day effectively for a perfect Ramadan month. It's a month of Muslim fasting, prayers, self-discipline and control, followed worldwide. This video will be ideal for you when planning for Ramadan. Start by setting your spiritual goals for the months, including acts of worship and Quran reading. One important thing people follow is the Ramadan appeal, or zakat, which engages them in charitable activities. It is also important for the earners to get some Ramadan gifts for family. Gifts like moon and star pattern trays, goodie bags, and personalized prayer rugs. A Ramadan plan is incomplete without vibrant decoration for your house. There are several ways to decorate your home for the upcoming 30 days of celebrating peace, spirituality, and self-growth. Okay, now let's talk about Ramadan morning routine. Your morning routine for Ramadan should be healthy and efficient. Apart from prayers, exercise, and other activities, you must also consider time constraints. Here's a routine for Ramadan preparations that should work well for you. 1. Waking up and performing dua. The best time to wake up is around 3:45 a.m. Start your routine for Ramadan with Bismillah followed by dua. Waking up early gives you plenty of time to perform your prayers in a peaceful state of mind by lighting aromatic candles. Once you've done dua, it's recommended to exercise lightly, especially muscle stretches, to help get your body active and ready for the day. 2. Tahajjud and Quran. The previous activities should be over by 4 a.m. Now perform Salat Tahajjud and recite the Quran. It's particularly beneficial to perform these at such a time. As explained in the Holy Quran, the dawn and the sunset are the two best times to recite the Quran. Besides, attaining khushu is easier when praying in a quiet atmosphere. Including Salat Tahajjud in your routine for the Ramadan festival has several advantages and increases the chances of our prayers being granted. 3. Sahoor. Now that you've performed Salat Tahajjud and recited the Quran, it's time for Sahoor. Start preparing the meal at 4:30 a.m. That should give you enough time to get the food ready. Once you finish the delicious Ramadan food, the remaining Ramadan routine is followed without any rush. As for what dish to prepare, go for a simple recipe with enough calories since you'll have to spend the day fasting. This is very important as observing a fast without eating nutritious food beforehand can weaken your body. From smoothies and cereals to meat, your options are plenty. You should be able to finish up with Sahoor by 5:30 a.m. easily. 4. Household chores. You can't escape household chores no matter how boring. Starting at 5:30 a.m., 30 minutes should be sufficient for your chores. Look at the bright side though. Sweeping and mopping provide a clean and healthy living environment. This, in turn, will increase your work performance and improve your mood. Our productivity levels depend directly on our surroundings, and physical activities help reduce stress. Even 20 minutes of household chores in your routine for Ramadan can be beneficial. 5. Fajr prayer. At 6 a.m., it's time to pray and perform Salat al-Fajr. It's another reason you should take care of household chores beforehand, as praying in a clean environment helps you concentrate better. Performing Fajr prayer properly keeps you in the state of wudu, which is beneficial. 6. Getting ready for work, school, college. By 6:30 a.m., you should be able to conclude your prayers and finally get ready for work. You definitely shouldn't skip a shower or bath. While it keeps you clean, it's also necessary for refreshment and focus. Staying clean and comfortable maintains your mental peace and productivity. Even if you're working from home, showering and dressing up for work is advisable. It's all about maintaining a focused and productive mental state. The Ramadan plan for students will naturally be different. Instead of work, you'd have to get ready for school or college instead. 7. Plan your itinerary. By 7 a.m., you're hopefully dressed up and ready for work. Now schedule your itinerary for the day. This is especially important for working individuals, as poor planning can severely hamper productivity. A pre-planned itinerary allows you to manage your time better and finish everything on time. Without a proper Ramadan routine, you might rush from task to task and struggle to meet deadlines. If you will be working from the office, don't forget to offer dua before you leave home. 8. Breaks in between work. With your day planned, you may now focus on work. However, make sure to take short breaks in between. Working constantly without breaks won't help you finish more work, but lower your productivity. Short breaks are crucial to your mental and physical well-being. During Ramadan, these breaks are also a good time for self-reflection. Remember, the whole point of fasting is to detoxify your mind, body, and soul from temptations. You may also use the breaks to stretch, exercise, and walk around. Especially if you have a desk job, a minimum level of physical activity is necessary to avoid health complications in the long run. Thus, my beloved brothers and sisters, if you observe this fruitful morning practice and organized daily schedule for the month of Ramadan, it can significantly improve your general well-being and spiritual development. You create a good environment for the day by beginning it with prayer, reciting the Quran, and a nutritious Sahoor. Whether at home or at work, keeping oneself tidy and focused during prayers promotes calmness and attention. Let this Ramadan be a time of self-discovery, growth, and connection with your faith. May your efforts during this blessed month be rewarded, and may you become stronger, spiritually improved, and get closer to Allah. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more content like this.